Hello, welcome back to my channel. Let's go to Kiêng Giang Market with me to pick up some grocery. Saw the fruits they have. Breads. On the right is all Vietnamese appetizer items. Local grown vegetables. We have seafood right here. All the seafood. More vegetables. Got eggs. Some wonton thin noodle, pho noodle in here. Tofu. Got chicken feet here. Usually we go here for fresh pork cuts. And our favorite is pork belly. We usually get it from here. See the date, September 7. This piece looks good. 15 bucks. I'm gonna grab 2 pieces here. Very good to cook porridge, pork intestine. They have the grass lemon dồi xả too. It's very good. Some brown pork. Soft drink around here. But here they also have all the beef here, beef shank. I round that you can slice up for a bar. All the meatball on this side. Need to pick up 2 more of these. Yeah, some. Also gonna grab another Lee sandwich coffee. Went through the other one last time. You can buy all your chicken here. They have black chicken too. Black chicken. All the onion salad you can get here. Get fresh garlic. They also have some pre-fried tofu. sweet bread. Need to grab 3 medium firm tofu. One of these cabbage. Some more soft drink on this side. We have cà pháo here. It's a white drink. This all the dry noodle section and spice. Flour in this section as well. And they just got this frozen freezer back here with frozen food. Bunch of sriracha sauce back. Thought they went out of business, but look like they got a brand new batch here. A bunch of them. So happy to see them back. Grab one of these hủ tiếu, cốt hủ tiếu, $6.59. Shopping list that my mom gave me to buy. All the spice that you can get here. I'm gonna get this pack of noodle here for my youngest daughter. So basically it has 4 small portion in here. It's really small for toddler. She's 4 years old, so all you need to do is add water and that's it. Got a bunch of snack here. To look for rice wine. And this rice vinegar. This one is look like it's made by Korea. $2.99, used for cooking. Let's check here. We got more spice in this aisle. Korean section here. Korean barbecue sauce. This all the instant coffee section, and they got the coffee drip too. I think this is probably the new one. Just a pouch, and then you put in the cup and you do the new drip coffee style. I haven't tried that yet. And all the tea on this side. And all the household item here. Got butane here for gas stove. Got slider. They got a mini gas stove here. They got a lot of nice gas stove here. Let's see. This is the mini gas stove they have. Pretty neat. Good for camping. Just how it looks. This one is $29.99. You cook mini stuff, and they got a bunch of other stuff up here. A bunch of utensils. Cutting board. They got much better solid cutting board here. $15. A solid piece of wood here. Made in Vietnam. Ngon. Got some molding here, and Vietnamese coffee drip. Let's go back this aisle.
Ok, có đến đi.
Got some rock candy, dry food, rice on the right. Dry pepper. This is something I normally get for my dad. Black bean with green inside. It's called đậu đen thanh long. It's green inside. I got most of the stuff. Just missing a couple items that I need to make another stop at other store.
Họ lấy tính ra chưa bạn?
Cái gì?
Cái đó 100 cái hả?
100 cái.
Cái này
cái này chứ mà cả gạo cả cái bưng
đồng gạo hết luôn rồi đó, trong cái receipt này.
4 đồng tính rồi.
ít chín giờ ăn.
Tính
I'm gonna check it out.
Chơi nguyên bà dài già đi chơi đưa mình đi cũng không có con nhà bự không mua con.
I got this big lollipop here if you want a lollipop. Huge. Let's see where this is coming from. China.
Hôm nay đi mình có này.
Dạ đi mình. Alright guys, that's it for today. Please hit that like, subscribe button and drop me a comment. Follow me for more. Peace.